Hello everyone, I Neha welcome you all to my channel. Today we are going to see how to do addition in Excel using VBA. So let's start. First of all, we have to open the Visual Basic editor. For that, press Alt F11 together. Now click on Insert. From the drop down list, click on Module. So here is our code window. I have written the heading of our procedure or say macro from beforehand. Procedure to calculate two numbers using normal addition symbol and with worksheet function. Secondly, procedure to perform summation over a range of cells. So let's start. The heading of our procedure will be addition. So sub addition. You can see as soon as I press enter, the end sub appears automatically. Now in between, let's write our code. So let me show you my data sheet over which we are going to perform our addition macro. So in the cell A1 it's written number 1 and in cell B2 it is written number 2. Number is below. We are going to add this two number using the normal addition function and get the output in D2. Secondly, we are going to perform the worksheet function and get the output in the cell E2. Now, this is for two numbers. Now we are going to perform the addition function to get the total of the numbers presented in this range of cells. You can see A5 to A10. We have to calculate this range of cells and get the total in D5. As you can see, it is A5 to A10 we have to get here. Secondly, in A5 we are going to get the summation of A5 to A10, which is this range, also the numbers 1 and 2. Let's write our code. Alt F11, put and we want the output in the range D2. So we'll write range D2 is equals to range A2 plus range B2. Now range E2, we are going to use here worksheet function. So range E2 is equals to application dot worksheet function dot sum. Inside this we have to write the range over which we want to perform the summation. So range A2 to B2. Secondly, we want the procedure to perform summation over a range of cells. For that, we want the output in range D5. So range D5 is equal to application dot worksheet function dot sum range A5 to A10. Here we are not going to use the normal addition function because it will make the code a bit lengthy, and that's why we use summation function to perform addition over a range of cells. Now in range E5 we want the summation over the range of A5 to A10 and number 1 and 2. So we write application dot worksheet function dot sum range A5 to A10 comma range D2. Also we can write comma range A2 comma range B2. Run the procedure by clicking on run or simply pressing F5. Now as you can see, all the cells give us the desired output. Now let's add a button to this procedure. So click on the developer tab and click on insert. Now from the form control, click on the button. Now drag the mouse and click wherever you want the button to be added and on wherever you need and adjust the size. Now this pop-up assign macro appears. You will click on addition because you want the addition to be assigned to this button. Then addition, OK. Now we can change the name of this button. So I'll write it as addition and click outside this button. Now let's also create a button for clearing the output data. That is range D2, E2, range D5 and E5. So again insert form control. From form control we'll select a button, we'll drag the mouse, adjust the size. From button we'll create new. Here we'll write range D2 to E2 dot value equals to clear and then copy this, paste it here, range d5 to e5 dot value equals to clear. Now run this, we'll see the values in the output cells are being cleared automatically, are being cleared. Now let's close this. So change the name of this button to clear. Now let's see if we are getting the desired output. Clear, clear. By clicking on clear, the output gets cleared. By clicking on addition, we get the output. Again clear, again addition. So this was my video. So I hope you got to understand the concept of using summation. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked my video, please like, comment and share. Also provide me with your doubts in the comment section, and if you need any help in your project, then let me know in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you. Thank you and have a nice day.